Hey, what's up guys? My name is Sadiq and my workout program is called Physique by Sadiq. The very first thing I want you guys to do is give this video a thumbs up, like it, share this with all your friends, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Physique by Sadiq. Today's video we're going to be talking about pre-workout meals and what I think will be a very efficient, good workout meal that you will enjoy because it'll taste good. It's going to have carbohydrates to give you the energy to go throughout your workout without feeling exhausted or fatigued. So let's go ahead and get started with this video. Alright guys, so now that we're in the kitchen, I'm going to show you guys the very few supplements and ingredients that we're going to be using to get this pre-workout meal started with. First off, what we're going to have our oatmeal right here. We're going to also have our organic peanut butter. Some mixed berries, some protein. Alright guys, so now that we got all our ingredients right here, we're going to grab a bowl so we can start getting the process and start mixing and see what it's going to look like. We're also going to need a water bottle for this. So let's get started. So the very first thing you want to start off with is you want to open up your protein and you're going to take a whole scoop of whatever protein you like to use. I love chocolate flavored protein and I think it'll work best for this. So right here I got the whole scoop and then I'm just going to dump it right in here. What you want to do next is you want to grab your water and you're going to put just a little bit to mix it up so it's going to feel like gelatin. Not too much. After putting it in, you're going to want to mix it in there. Looks like that isn't enough, so we're going to put a little bit more water in there. That's what the product should look like. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to grab our oatmeal and put some oatmeal in there. You're going to get your peanut butter, organic, always low-fat peanut butter. So far that's what the product looks like. And then for the very final step, throw some food in there. After putting all of these ingredients in, you're going to mix it all the way in.
Every fence I know, every color bleeds into the same.
So after this has been mixed in all the way, what you're going to want to do is you're going to put this in the freezer for 5 minutes to freeze it up so it's going to taste really delicious. So yeah guys, it's been about 5 minutes now. And we are ready to eat this up and go to the gym in about 20 minutes. So guys, if you found this video very helpful, please subscribe to my channel and share this video with all your friends. And let's get fit together because I'm currently shredding right now. And I'm on day 8 of this meal prep diet. So stay tuned as I'll be posting a lot more cooking videos and meal videos as well as workout videos. So watch the next one.